Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Honor Watch 5 and Honor Watch 4. Let's find out which one is better fit for you. First, compare the body features. Both Honor Watch comes with 518 water grade and eSIM. Display features. Honor Watch 5 comes with 1.85 inches AMOLED display, and the Honor Watch 4 comes with 1.75 inches AMOLED display. Next, compare the battery features. Honor Watch 4 comes with up to 14 days of battery life, and the Honor Watch 5 comes with up to 15 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. They offer Bluetooth 5.2 GPS and NFC. Next, compare the sensor features. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe.